So, good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. So, 5th class children, everyone are listening the lessons, and whoever you don't have books, you are taking from the school. So, here, children, yesterday or day before yesterday, we started that is Unit 6, our universe, Sun, Moon, and Earth. So, about solar system, this one we have been learning. So, 8 planets we have been learned with the help of our textbook. So after that, inside of the earth, next surface of the moon. So yesterday, faces of the moon, I told you to draw these faces of the moon, and as well as to mention the sum of the matter with the help of the diagram. So here different faces of the moon we have learned. Next, complete these sentences. A small homework is there, children. So this is very easy. With the help of your picture, you can write easily answers. Okay. So our lesson is Sun, Moon, and Earth. So here today, complete this formative assessment, page number 108. You do it in the textbook. So this is the homework. Some days we can hardly see the moon because of illumination, sides of the point away from the earth. So here, this is a very easy max faces. You can write with the help of this up. Whatever the up is there, you can easily find out, and if you have little bit mind, you can do it. So next, landing on the moon. So now today we will start landing on the moon. So you know Neil Armstrong who went. So landing ante moon paiki velline vallu. Okay. So evaraithe moon paiki velline vellaro, you know Neil Armstrong. So some people they went to see how the moon is there and the planets, how they have manaki ippudu kanipichevanni space ki velli, they have scientists, whatever they have, they went there and they observed it, how earth is there, how ivanni vallu meediki akadiki velli gamanincharu ela unnai. So then only they collect some matter as well as whatever the pictures there they have taken back. So here also, so landing of the moon, here it is there. So the American spacecraft Apollo 11 successfully landed on the moon on the 21st July 1969. So Apollo 11, it is the spacecraft name. It is the spacecraft name. It is Apollo 11. So here, children, Apollo 11, the spacecraft that is it has been successful and landed on the moon on 21st July 1969. 21st July 1969, it was first successful land on the moon. So landed on the moon. It is on the year 21st July 1969. Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin stepped on the moon's surface. So Neil Armstrong, they had stepped on the moon's surface with the third astronauts. Michael Collins remained in the command module to circle the moon and kept in touch with the earth. So here the persons, they went and the moon stepped ante akadiki vellaru. They has been went to the moon. So this all ante keep touch ante veltu vastu unnaru. They went and coming. So they were touching with the earth. In 1972, American had their 6th and last Apollo landing on the moon. In 1972, it was a 6th Apollo landing on the moon. It is their 6th one. 6th from 1st to 6th. It is the landing on the moon. It is the last. Ante adi last Apollo landing on the moon. Reaching the moon has been a long story of hard work, tragedy and sacrifice. So here అక్కడికి రీచ్ అవ్వడానికి దే హ్యాస్ బీన్ వెరీ హార్డ్ వర్క్, చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేశారు, సాక్రిఫైస్ చేశారు, ఇంకా దానికోసం చాలా కృషి కూడా చేశారు. ఓకే, సో టు ల్యాండ్ ఆన్ ద మూన్, సో దిస్ ఓకే, సో ఇయర్ ల్యాండింగ్ ఆన్ ద మూన్ అంటే దే వెంట్ ఆన్ ద మూన్ by successfully in 1969 on 21st July. So here Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin stepped on the moon surface. Astronauts Michael Collins, he was demanded command model to circle the moon and touch with the earth. In 72 it is the last sixth, it is the sixth landing Apollo on the moon, it is last. So reaching the moon there has been sacrifice and త్యాగాలు కొన్ని ఏమంటారు, they have did so many hard work, చాలా కృషి చేశారు. So here eclipses occur due the revolution of the earth and moon. Eclipse ఎలా వస్తాయి, they occur when the due to the revolution of the earth and moon. earth ki moon ki when it be occurs due to the eclipse ఎలా వస్తాయి అంటే due to the revolution of the earth and moon. The position of moon, the earth keeps on changing due to the revolution movements. The position of the moon, whatever is there అక్కడ moon and earth, so it will be change అంటే చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది due to the revolution of the movement. Eclipse are the most spectacular shadow cast by the earth and the moon by blocking the sunlight falling on the each other. So here ikkada eclipse, it is a more particularly shadow anante needa can be cast by the earth and the moon by blocking the sunlight and falling on each other. Are ended paina when the it was be block ayi sunlight anedi ఈచ్ అంటే రెండింటి పైన పడినప్పుడు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ఎక్లిప్స్, సోలార్ ఎక్లిప్స్. సో మీకు తెలుసు చంద్రగ్రహణం, సూర్యగ్రహణం అంటారు, దాన్ని సోలార్ ఎక్లిప్స్, లూనార్ ఎక్లిప్స్ అని అంటారు ఇంగ్లీష్లో. సో నౌ వీ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ద సోలార్ ఎక్లిప్స్. So it is a solar eclipse when the moon comes in the between of the sun and the earth. So here a small diagram is there. So here this is the sun, it is the earth. So here it is standing like this, is reflected. So this is the middle of this is moon. So this is the solar eclipse. This is the, so ఈ యొక్క రెండు చూడండి, here it is very dark. So here when the moon comes between the sun and the earth, solar eclipse occur. ఈ యొక్క రెండిటి మధ్యలో ఎప్పుడైతే మూన్ వస్తుందో solar eclipse will occur. We know that the moon is much near to the earth than the sun. So you know everyone that is very nearest to the earth is what? Moon. So it is very nearest, so than the sun. When the moon revolves around the earth, it sometimes come in the between of the sun and the earth. Then the light rays of the sun cannot reach the earth. This is called solar eclipse. ఈ యొక్క ఈ మూన్ ఉంటుందా ఇక్కడ మీకు మధ్యలో, ఇట్ ఈస్ షోయింగ్ ఫర్ యూ వెన్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ బిట్వీన్, ఇది ఈ రివాల్వ్ రౌండ్ అవుతుంది కదా. సో దెన్ ఇట్ ద రైజ్ అల్ట్రా రేస్ విల్ బి కెనాట్ రీచ్ టు ద ఎర్త్. దెన్ దిస్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ ద సోలార్ ఎక్లిప్స్. when the sun is completed hiding by the moon, hide ante mottam moosukapotundi by the moon, it is the total solar eclipse. మొత్తం చీకటి అయిపోతుంది మీకు తెలుసు. They will show in the TVs full of the dark అయిపోతుంది. So that is known as solar eclipse. Totalగా it is now occurred by the soul hide by the moon. మొత్తం కమ్ముకపోతుంది మూన్ని. When only a part of sun is hidden, it is called particular solar eclipse. కొంచెమే, it is a part of a sun. It will be hide అంటే దానికి ఇలా అయిపోతుందో that is particular solar eclipse. So this is the diagram children. Here moon, sun, earth. చూడండి మీకు ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది. Here they are occurring. చీకటి అయిపోతుంది half of the part. So when the sun here it cannot reach the earth. So this is known as solar eclipse. When completely hiding అంటే దీని మొత్తాన్ని చీకటితో కమ్మిపేస్తుంది, that is no total solar eclipse అంటారు. It is half then a particular solar eclipse. So you know everyone this one. Now we have read the solar eclipse. Show the occurrence of the solar eclipse in the classroom. So in the between ball toni football and small ball if you read it will be known. Lunar eclipse. Now we will move to the lunar eclipse. Chandra Grahanam, Surya Grahanam. We will tell. When the earth comes in the between, so here a small diagram, sun again. So here in the middle, earth, moon, next sun. It is reflected like this out. So this is the lunar eclipse. So here it is telling sun, earth. This is moon. Ikkada undi moon. Okay. So here I'll explain. When the earth comes in the between of the sun and moon, Malli, in the between of the earth and sun, it comes the moon. Lunar eclipse occur. Idi enduku occur avutundi? The between the sun and moon, again here also comes the lunar eclipse occurs. When the earth revolve around the sun, sometimes the earth comes in the between the sun and moon. Earth comes between the sun and moon. The shadow of the earth casts on the moon. This is called lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse cannot be totally particular. When the moon is completed, is dark shadow, it is earth is total lunar eclipse. Ikkada kuda dark ayipote, that is in total lunar eclipse. When the moon is only one partly hidden by the shadow, it is a partial lunar eclipse. So this is the explanation of lunar eclipse, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So artificial satellites. Now we will move to the artificial satellites. Manam chadukundam. So what is the satellite of artificial satellite ante endo? Now we will learn. Artificial satellites are man-made objects which revolve around the earth just as the moon does. So ikkada artificial satellites, that man-made objects which revolve around the earth just as a moon does. The spacecraft is launched into the space with the help of rockets. So spacecraft, it has been launched like a rocket. Rockets are the vehicle which are the powerful enough to carry spacecraft away from the surface of the earth. So kinda nunchi meediki, it is a rocket which carries the what? It will be carry a powerful rocket, it is to carry enough surface of the earth. Saturn V is the largest rocket ever built. It is 110 meters in height. It has launched Apollo 11 to the moon on the 16th July 1960. So it is a very largest Saturn V అనే ఒక లార్జెస్ట్ రాకెట్ని వాళ్ళు బిల్ట్ చేశారు. ఎందుకు అంటే మూన్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళడానికి. బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ హౌ మచ్ మీటర్స్ హైట్ 110 meters height. So it is Apollo 11. So it is also in the 16th July 1969. So artificial satellites are sent to the space from the performing different tasks. So here this satellite is sent by to perform different tasks to the scientists, weather, communication, military. So ikkada meeru this also you only complete the children's. Next I will move to the summative assessment. The smallest planet closer to the sun is which is smallest planet edi? Yes, it is a B, Mercury. So tick the right answers. So now we will move to the tick the right answers. Okay. Now we will move to the tick the right answers. Okay. So here for you two homeworks. This one and this one, it is your homework. Okay, children. Do it in the textbook only. This is not heavy homework. Next we will move to the summative and assessment. First one is bit number A, that is page number 1111. So first one, the smallest planet close to the sun, it is Mercury, B. The second one, how many days does Mars take to orbit to the sun? It takes 365 days, 366, 687 days to one orbit. 387 days. That is C. The third one is the innermost part of the earth is called. It is also core. C. The fourth one, which spacecraft landed on the moon on 21 July, Apollo 11. It is a D. The fifth one is the largest rocket ever built in the Saturn V. That is D. So this is the right option: sun, moon and earth. So tick the correct answers. Next we will move to the answer the following questions. What are the crystalline bodies? What is atmosphere? How does it help us on the earth? Describe the surface of the moon. Name the first person who landed on the moon. How is solar eclipse caused? What is meant by partial lunar eclipse? What is artificial satellite? The dash is the center of the solar system. Dash is the only planet where life is exists. The dash is the natural satellite of the earth. Dash are the deep holes that have been made with the solid bodies called meteorites crashed into the moon's surface. The American spacecraft has successfully landed on the moon on the 21st July 1969. The first one is sun, moon. Bit number C, sun. The second one is earth. Third one is moon. Fourth one is, fifth one is Apollo 11. So these are the sun is the center of the solar system. First, next one, earth is a planet that is only exist life, where life is exist. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Next, craters or deep holes have been made with the solid bodies called here. The American spacecraft Apollo 11 successfully landed on the moon on the 21st July 1969. So here is telling to write a short notes on the following: crust, mantle, core, phases of moon, uses of artificial satellites. So meeru a chinna notes, collect these notes you have here. So do it yourself. Okay, so 3 homeworks are there. If you are not getting this and this, I will explain you tomorrow and write the answers also. No need to worry here, children. Okay, here, no need to worry. I will only write if you are not able to get the answers. Tomorrow, I will write in your, again I will explain you and write in your textbooks. So you also try best to know the answers, and if anyone is not having the books, please buy the books from the school. So here we completed the lesson of the sun, moon and the earth. So here everything is important, because to know about our earth and whatever the planets are there in our around the sun. So where the life exists. So how lunar eclipse occur, how solar eclipse occur. So lunar eclipse means what, solar eclipse means what. So now we have learned in this sun, moon and earth lesson. So you also once read off and revise it. Now I will leave my class. Thank you very much.